Long live African freedom fighters. Long live African independence. Long live your struggle. And long live African unity.
Long live Mphahlele, long live Libalele, long live. Live. Long live Lembere, long live Nyerere, long live. Live. Long live Madiba, long live Malema, long live. Live. Long live Mama Winnie, long live Ndabaningi, long live. Live. Long live Kwame Nkrumah, long live Credo Muto, long live. Live. Long live Lumumba, long live Nkumbula, long live. Live. Long live Sankara, long live Bambara, long live. Live. Long live Gaddafi, long live Selassie, long live. Live.
Here is a phenomenon against which all African freedom fighters must be on their guard and resist with your troops. Even though I appreciate the difficulties facing us, I must admit I find it strange to watch some of us returning willingly to the colonialist fold.
Long live Lutuli, long live Fumkuti, long live. Live. Long live Shivambu, long live Chibambu, long live. Live. Long live A Bamba, long live K Banda, long live. Live. Long live J Wango, long live J Mbanza, long live. Live. Long live Masekela, long live Miss Makeba, long live. Live. Long live Tongo Gara, long live Primukaba, long live. Live. Long live Olympio, long live Steve Biko, long live. Live. Long live Tatani, long live Martin Honey, long live. Live.
This time, they don't even have the excuse of being forced to subject themselves to foreign domination. It makes one wonder, why so much effort and sacrifice and so many lives were given up to the achievement of independence in the first place.
Long live Makaka, long live Tabata, long live. Live. Long live Marikure, long live Sekoture, long live. Live. Long live Andile, long live Kanyile, long live. Live. Long live Kathrada, long live Jawara, long live. Live. Long live Tlowana, long live Mustafa, long live. Live. Long live Sewuru, long live Sisulu, long live. Live. Long live Semagai, long live Twangarai, long live. Live. Long live Karume, long live Sobuko, long live. Live.
This time, they don't even have the excuse of being forced to subject themselves to foreign domination. It makes one wonder, why so much effort and sacrifice and so many lives were given up to the achievement of independence in the first place, if it can only be so quickly and easily surrendered. We must begin to build immediately our own continental common market. For it is easy for anyone who studies the common market organization closely to realize that the common market is aimed at harnessing the African countries to satisfy the profit lust of the imperialist bloc and to prevent us from following an independent neutralist policy. It is easy to see that the imperialists and the colonialists are determined to retain the African countries in the position of suppliers of cheap raw materials. If we do not resist this threat, and if we throw in our lot with the common market, we shall doom the economy of Africa to a state of perpetual subjection to the economy of Western Europe. This will, of course, hinder the industrialization of our young African states. It is impossible to think of economic development and national independence without possessing an unfettered capacity for maintaining a strong industrial power. The activities of the common market are therefore fraught with dangerous political and economic consequences for the independent African states. The organization constitutes an attempt to replace the old system of colonial exploitation by a new system of collective colonialism, which will be stronger and more dangerous than the old evils we are striving to liquidate from our country. This is another reason why we should come together in a unified African economic plan, which, operating on a continental scale, can make a solid attack on the imperialist domination in Africa. We should, without delay, aim at the creation of a joint African military command. There is little wisdom in our present separate effort to build up and maintain defense forces, which, in any case, would be ineffective in a major world conflict. If we examine this problem realistically, we would ask, which single African state could protect itself against an imperialist aggressor? And how much more difficult this would be when some states are allowing the imperialists to maintain bases on their territories. I have already referred to the military forces which South Africa is raising and the danger it poses for the new African states and the struggle of those still in chains. Only our unity can provide us with anything like adequate protection. Those problems can best be met within a unified Africa, and it should be possible in the higher reaches of our endeavor to devise a constitutional structure which will secure the objectives I have outlined, and yet preserve the sovereignty of each of the countries joining the Union. Countries within the Union will naturally maintain their own constitutions, continue to use their own national emblems and national anthems and other symbols and paraphernalia of sovereignty. Regional associations and territorial groupings can only be other forms of balkanization unless they are conceived within the framework of a continental union. There are existing models which we can modify or adapt to our pattern. The United States of America, the Soviet Union, India and China have proved the efficacy of unions embracing large stretches of land and population. Long live African freedom fighters. Long live African independence. Long live your struggle. And long live African unity.
Disgusting.
Politics, bitching. I don't think no motherfuckers are pyramids. But you know, I don't think the fucking president is ready for this. I don't think the fucking cabinet is ready for this.
Yeah. Trapping and auction, the niggas are sold out under a hammer. Young offender aggravating all their cabinet members. Rep until they offer me and the government tender. Before refusing praise their amount in the parliament's agenda. To me like getting never was demanding the rent up to compare. To let's call the picked up and answer. I want the money that they used to renovate Fuma's house. So I can buy my family farm with product house and trade jobs for my poor people on the ground. I'm underground, but I know more than you on the ground. History repeat itself, nigga, the earth is round. I'm talking to this motherfucking demagogues who want nationalize and lie about creation. No color is the key for them to own the block and they own your mind. Nationwide, now they wanna nationalize and own the mind. Hold for a gold, about hold, about sword, push it to my gold. Corrupt covers behind the image of the government. Business partners, politicians, business, they don't give a fuck about us. Single word that he said bars who are rather read age. Listen what I'm told, but they could just because they secretly control states fine through your president. You want evidence it made you son the youngest businessman. All about economic growth. To what on the investment, these moves are not made by the president, but they are conducted by his corrupt business friends. Stop sympathizing from a distance. You don't know shit. Stop trying to shit our sentiments. Take a walk in the hood and just talk like the president. Sleep on the bed that you leave you sick and handicapped. Stop talking crap, nigga. I want the greater standard of living instead of handouts and dropping back, nigga.
About hold, about sword, to my sword.
I'm a whole business and I'm the Malga who's made 17 years, independence of baby Pule. Everything in Pule says, need to win the game. Right before we come on, baby, has a power, Munga Day. This is abandoned, our legacy, November 98, they announced to purchase weapons to my HRP state. In the day, Tonguti said collectively they will pay over 1 billion rands of bribery, even in the day of class and mental slavery. Fake revolutionaries are mental slaving me, and it's hard to refuse. As an outraged man, this position got me wishing that you realize that these fake politicians are feeding you lies and they get paid to do that. You don't believe me, to their lifestyle audit twice.
About hold, but say gold, about hold, about sword, to my sword.